the day is done. 3 events, starting off with the world premiere, then Super Armory sealed for a side event, finishing off with Year of the Snake sealed. So there's 24 packs. One of the promos being the treasure pack. Let's open this puppy. So the back is the puzzle piece. The front, we got the golden cog. So, puzzle piece. Alright, let's see what we got in the center there. Chart a course. Your second attack this turn gets +3. You may put a gold counter on Treasure Island. Go again. Nice. Not one of the obviously super rare treasures, but beautiful nonetheless. We'll at least have 2 more of these, so we will be opening more. Anyway, cheers for watching. Stay awesome.